From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm Weston Boyd, and this is our final shift, so this will be a group video. As you can see, for the current conditions right now, we have a beautiful sunrise. Temperatures are sitting at a pretty comfortable 45 degrees and some light winds out of the north-northwest at 6 miles an hour. To discuss some future weather headlines, get it? We have a dry end to the end of the work week. An unsettled weekend is looking like it will be ahead, and seasonable temperatures will return. Now, I'm going to hand it off to Sarah.
Good morning. I'm Sarah Steerley, and I'm here with your temperatures. Looking across the Commonwealth, currently we're experiencing temperatures of upper 30s to lower 40s. Looking across the entire state, it's about the same thing, a bit warm for this time of year and this time of day, with a temperature of even 47 in Philadelphia currently. And then looking at our temperature change in the past 24 hours, experiencing a slight warm up here in State College with a temperature increase of 4 degrees. And across the state, we're looking at temperatures that are decreasing currently, but not too bad for this time of year. Now I'm going to hand it off to Hannah Ruisi.
Hello, I'm student meteorologist Hannah Ruisi, and as we look to our right, we will see our radar with some showers coming in from over the Great Lakes through Binghamton and over to the southeast. As we look at our current conditions, I may be heartless, but it's a little dreary out, mostly cloudy and 45 in State College. If we look to the northeast, pretty much the same pattern, sunnier along the coast, and as we head up to the northeast and along the Great Lakes, a bit cloudier there. And for our temperatures nationwide, we have a bit of a gradient here. So we have over in Pennsylvania, mainly 40s, but as we look at some of the other temperatures, we have temperatures like International Falls at -1, others at just some very cool temperatures overall for this time of year. And I'll hand it over to Allie.
Hello, I'm student meteorologist Allie Scarlett, and looking at the radar, we have a system moving through the middle of the country today. And looking at Pennsylvania, it's a lot of clouds today, and the clouds are going to continue, but into Friday, it's going to clear up a little bit. But later Friday, we're going to have some more clouds and a little bit of precipitation coming with that. But that's going to get broken up pretty fast because of the Allegheny Mountains. And I'm going to send it over to Christian.
Thanks, Allie. Heading into our outlook for this weekend, as we can see here on our future forecast, we see another system approaching the area as we head into Saturday night. And as we head into the day on Sunday, we can see this overtake the Commonwealth here with even some wintry precipitation looking possible over northern regions of the state, but otherwise just rain expected in regions to the south. As we bring this even forward here into Sunday night and Monday, we see this translate all the way over into New England and eventually off the coast there. So we'll be keeping an eye on that for some potential impacts into those regions. But as we head into early next week, things look to clear out once again and bring us some nicer weather for the start of our work week next week before once again another system begins to approach the region. But right now our forecast for today in State College, 47 degrees expected, cooler but also above average temperatures this time of year. Light wind out of the north around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our conditions for tonight, 29 degrees. Those clouds are hanging around and it is turning a little bit colder out there as we see that system approach for this weekend. And then finally our forecast for tomorrow on Friday, 41, partly sunny, and a little bit cooler than we see today. Next up, I'm going to pass it off to Kevin.
Thanks very much, Christian. And let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. Topping out at 47 degrees today, mainly cloudy skies. A little bit brighter for the next few days beyond today. 41 degrees will do it, so much cooler for Friday and Saturday. Generally partly sunny conditions, but then we get into the weekend storm system. Looks like a mixture of rain and snow for us here in State College, and that'll be a pretty decent event, so we'll have more details on that to come. Otherwise, mostly cloudy to start next week, but much cooler. Seasonable for this time of year, though. Upper 30s will do it. Abundant sunshine on Tuesday before watching yet another storm system by the time we get to the middle of next week. So that'll do it from everybody here in the Thursday morning communications shift. Have a great, happy holidays. Yeah.